Kenya has the third lowest insurance penetration rate in sub-Saharan Africa. This is due to some perceptions among the population linked to cost, taboos, and deep-rooted beliefs. But one company is leveraging on technology to boost the capacity and the processes of the sector workforce to change perception. Lami stepped into the market with the hope of shifting the appetite for insurance. Through technology, they set the vision to democratize insurance.
Imagine a world where you could actually embed your phone with insurance. You know how in movies you actually see people throwing their phones on the wall and you're wondering how can this person afford that? That's embedded insurance, because at the point of purchase, whatever it is that you care about comes in with insurance.
Even with great promise, Lami had to face the fears of sector players.
One of the biggest misconceptions of technology is that we are trying to limit the middleman. We are trying to cut off the middleman. And think about M-Pesa. M-Pesa would not be where it is if it did not rely on the agent network. So we don't deal directly with the end user. So I would ideally not be selling insurance to you. I would be powering the person that you are familiar with when it comes to all your insurance needs.
The effort to educate agents is also extended to the underwriters on the platform.
For us as a company to get in touch with those agents, especially the ones at the grassroots who are not able to access our offices. And you find the insurance penetration has been easy. So all the agents are brought together and they give us good service. It is easy for us as a company to manage that through their platform.
Now agents are able to reach rural and urban clients from their phones and homes.
I've taken most of my time educating people concerning the insurance, the benefits also that comes along. Because there is this, before they had the wrong information concerning insurance, which it has not seen to many people earlier. But now with this also the trainings we've been also attending, with Lami being educated as an agent, I share the same information down to the people in the rural area.
See, where the conventional insurance practice is that it starts maybe from 8 up to 5. Then beyond 5, you cannot get service. But this one extends all the way up to 10 and also over the weekend.
This has led to growth in capacity not only for the engaged agents, but also the platform.
Now we have 31 underwriters on the platform from 5. We have 1,700 active agents on the platform from 3, and only 18 months ago. So I would imagine the narrative is changing.
Changing to include workflows and credible products that align with ideals of previously overlooked groups.
Age-old set of Muslims don't necessarily deal with insurance. We have Muslim players on the platform. We have agents who now, with the beauty of transparency, are able to sell insurance without the undertones of it not being halal, for lack of better terms. It's now more consumable because there's more transparency behind it. When we started, we had about 20% of our agent network were women. We just ran the data about 2 months ago, and we're currently at 45% of our agents are actually women.
These management strategies are breaking social cultural barriers in the workspace and region.
When you sit down with the regulator, there's no hesitation from their side that this is a good thing. This is the future of insurance. I guess the question is, where do you sit us within the regulatory framework? Where do we belong? We're not necessarily an agent. We don't operate as such. We're not a broker because we represent the insurance company. So where do we sit? And I guess that's the question we keep asking IRA. Can you find a place where we can sit as someone that's offering something completely different?
Currently, Lami insures 200,000 lives every month and hosts over 200 product lines to ensure that clients in the region are protected in the event the unexpected happens. Beryl, Ooro, CGTN.